gonna be so fun. Oh yeah, midnight is gonna be so fun. Oh yeah, what up, hey? Take time for me, call me when you're outside. 911-526-625. Tell your friends in the field don't wanna lie. Already in the house, but I'm gonna come inside like, do you have someone? Cause I feel like we should live and we're have some fun. Hey, but me look at you talk like it. I know tomorrow man, who are you today? Oh, you bet them not go find out anyway. Baby, well, who did you say? Give it to that you go blast tomorrow up there. Up the wasi. Do that shit to answer. Hey, you answer. Answer. Well, say midnight is gonna be so fun. Say midnight is gonna be so fun. Boys up, say midnight is gonna be so fun. Oh yeah, midnight is gonna be so fun. Say midnight is gonna be so fun. Yeah. Banhadas Gatas, São Vicente, boa noite, o meu nome é Richie Gamble, esse é 911 Band. Make some noise, go some antes de continuarmos, eu queria dizer que sou muito agradecido pela forma como sempre fui recebido aqui em São Vicente, aqui no Baía das Gatas, na passagem de ano, não sei quem é que esteve lá connosco. Sim, eu. Quero agradecer a Deus por ter parado a chuva e quero-vos agradecer a todos por continuarem aí connosco. Este concerto aqui é a minha forma de agradecer todo o apoio que vocês me deram e me fizeram sentir em casa sempre que eu vim cá. Trust me, hoje vamos nos divertir. We're jumping it, go on. Kick. I need to let you go. Cause even though you might not never keep you with mine, let you go. I feel like every time that we argue is a sign, need to let you go. Baby, I don't know how I can explain, need to let you know. Okay. You know, before you turn into my enemy, I need to go, I need to set you free. Before I chain up all your energy, I need to do what's best for you and me. Need to protect you from selfish ways. Need you to know that this is just a phase. I know you can't take all these games you play. It's best to stay apart, it's best to say I need to let you go. No, don't be. Cause even though your mind I never keep you with mine, let you go. If you know what, I feel like every time that we argue is a sign, need to let you go. Baby, I don't know how I can explain, need to let you go. I need to let you go. Listen. Feeling is that I can make this painless. God, I think we should go back to being strangers. Me and you together feel so dangerous. It might even work for them, but girl, it ain't us. That's why your love expired. Cause you didn't have everything I required. Should've make me feel inspired. But you're my God and I'm coming up. I need to let you go. Hey, cause even though you're mine, I never keep you in mind. Let you go. So I feel like every time that we argue is a sign to let you go. Really, I don't know how I can explain. Need to let you know. Now can we get some let you go. What I say? Before you turn into my enemy, before I chain up all your energy, need to protect you from a selfish ways. Need you to know that this is just a phase. You can't take all these games you play. It's best for me to move and stop and stay upset. I need to let you go. Oh Lord, even though you're my baby, let you go. So I feel like every time that we argue it's a sign, I need to let you go. Baby, I know, need to let you know. Baby, I need to let you go. passou tempo demais desde a última vez que eu vim cá. Você não play only for two, jump. Keep down there. You know when you're far from me. You know when you're far from me. I beg you please stay far from it. Far from it stay. Cause I've been in love before. What's it on a movie? Oh yeah, listen. Oh yeah, something, some dirty lie. I said I won't lie. Nah. Oh yes, I did give love a try. Feel so many times and I won't lie. If you know it's a good answer, I will fall in love again. Hey, no, I fall in love again. So I never fall in love again. No, I will fall in love again. Fall in love again. Fall in love. What's it up? I will fall in love again. You cannot be. Say that. No, I'll never fall in love again. Said I won't fall in love. I'm not in a hurry, babe. Fall in love again. No, we can't do it. Vai, eu preciso da vossa ajuda nessa aí. Caralho. É simples. I won't fall in love again. No,
Fall in love again.
no, I'll never fall in love again. Say that.
Fall in love again. Fall in love again.
Fall in love again. Mais uma. Say I won't fall in love again. Say that.
Fall in love again.
No, I'll never fall in love again. No, I won't fall in love.
Fall in love again.
Fall in love again. India, before I run out, but I was once upon a time. I know my heart will break, know that I was wasting time. And if I fall back down, buddy, I beg you change my mind. Cause in my eye they bleed, I can see the sign. Who knows that? Fall in love again. Look at all the girls inside. I will fall in love again. No, I never fall in love again. Said I will fall in love again. You said fall in love again. So fall again. But you say yeah. Antes de continuar, uma pergunta. Quem está hoje aqui no Bahia das Gatas? Gosta de reggae music? Põe o braço lá. Bahia, cadê chuva que pode parar, mano? Let's go. Hey, these roads of flames are catching on fire. See? Showed you I loved you, you call me a liar. Oh no. of applause for 911 band for Peanut for the beat. Bust them low, 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 low. Kick out some reggae music, say yeah, yeah. Keep on. You couldn't see one of the food from me. Kiss me. But as long as I have my best friend, the one that I love until the end, you are my best friend. The realest in the world, they don't tell to me, say you're my best friend. The one that I love until the end, you are my best friend. You are me against the world, we don't have to pretend. It's cause of the feeling. All the other girls got nothing on you. Always have your back and your heart right too. You are mine, hey, say, you're always on time. Can't get enough time, so kind. Take up all the space in my mind. You can have it because you never know what's side. You are the best friend. The one that I love until the end. You are the best friend. I say the realest in the world, we don't talk to me. You're my best friend. The one that I love until the end. You are my best friend. You are the youngest one. Yo, I'm about to go. That's how we roll. I'm from your own violence, your own silence. Toda a gente com Deus braços, olha pessoal. Toda a gente com Deus braços. Toda a gente com Deus braços. Vai ser amazing, smile on the fields from the wake up in the morning. One mind, no time to problem. Hotel Babylon, there's a good one. See, I feel amazing, smile from the wake up in the morning. One mind, no time to problem. Hotel Babylon, there's a good one. Say I feel amazing, smile on my face from the wake up in the morning. No bad mind, no time to problem. Hotel Babylon, that's a who do What was that? Vai. Não vou mentir. Eu não venho cá há 4 anos, não façam isso. Eu preciso mais do que isso, não? Hey, olha lá. Todos conosco, olha lá. Say I feel amazing, smile on my face from the wake up in the morning. No time for bad mind, no time to trouble. Hotel Babylon, better who do one. Apanharam ou não? Apanharam? Vamos ser. Better who do one. Better who do one, yeah. That's how I do. Better who do one, yeah. All right. Say I